Almost got myself. Almost got myself. There we go. Okay. What's up, guys? I was gonna do an over or voiceover, but I figured I'd just play the footage and watch it with y'all. Let me make sure. Okay, my mic is gone. Okay. Fixing the drone right now. I spun the props while I was I had a motor that wasn't working, and instead of going and soldering it because it was late at night, it's like 10:30. I didn't want to go to the garage and heat the soldering iron up and set up the fan. I sat here and I turned on Betaflight and I spun it up, and I was holding each motor. I knew what motor one was, but for some reason I don't remember what I was doing. It spun up, cut one of the wires to the motors, fine, but it completely ripped off. The Express ELRS, the pin for the RX or whatever, RX TX receiver, whatever. So I ordered some parts. I'm gonna go solder that today. But I wanted to put out a little log of my first flight with the cinecell. Now the transmission is dookie because I was flying the goggle with my goggles were basically dead. So you're gonna see, like right now you see how far I am away. But if I go to the second one, you should, yeah, it's very choppy here when it shouldn't be. It's trees. It's not like a concrete blocking me or something, and I kept crashing it. But the main takeaways, yeah, even here, this is me testing. I noticed, let me find when I test it more, the voltage sag with the lithium ion batteries is crazy if you do a dive. And it's also really, like, it carries momentum, the drone. I did some PID tuning that should be in my kind of next log, which should be before this, like the kind of build log. I'm trying to find when I like do a dive. But yeah, you can see, was it because I flew under the table? No, what did I do wrong? I just crashed it. Okay. Let me see if I can find anything else interesting. Hopefully I'm not showing any private info. I know it's just, but yeah, cool flight. Through noise, it was fairly quiet. 2 props, PID tuning set, not like doing any crazy stunts. It was like a low drone sound. Use milliamp hours. That's interesting. Yeah, I have the heading set up, but it clearly does not work. Yeah, this is me testing. Let's see, y'all can see how it performs. Thinking of my 5-inch drone. Yeah. Handling's funny, but I was also scared to go too far because of my VTX. Or at least from the goggles, the reception. Yeah, and it just crashes. I gotta be a bit more careful with the throttle, and I think this is when I crashed it. I just the top plastic bit broke off. My antenna came off, and it was a day because my VTX antenna was no longer attached. So I put some heat shrink on the VTX to fix that. That's about it for now. I mean, I flew it around. This is me testing it out in my room. This is right before I broke it. I kept spinning up the motors and they hit the desk, and I scared myself each time like an idiot. And then I just took it. Oh, because I was testing the runcam thumb. I took it and I just started waving it around my room. It's on the runcam thumb. Let me see if I can get that. Well, I'll have to eject this. No. Let me delete this so it doesn't give me that annoying red thing. Okay, delete that. Not delete it, eject it. You can eject. Come on. Oh, I'm ejecting the Insta360. Okay, both of you guys go. Alright. Boom, I'm good. Videos from cinecell. It's mixed in with the GoPro stuff that I used this SD card ages ago. Okay, here's the thumb. This is just me testing out the footage. Look at that handsome man. Late at night, right before he breaks his drone like an idiot. Was this when I flew it? No, I just dropped it. Okay. Smart man. ChatGPT open with the Rick Ross. Okay. Anyways, Because it's genius. This is a gyroscope. What is GCSW? GCSB file. Gyroscope data? Yeah, gyroflow. Okay. Makes sense. That's good. PW. Look at me. Ooh, look at that chin poking out. Oh my gosh. That's me. That was me trying to scan the QR code, but I was recording. What a genius. Did I record myself flying it around? I didn't even record that, so that was all for nothing. What a genius. Okay, so nothing on the thumb footage yet other than that. I mean, I think I have to put a filter on and fly it outside because I've heard the indoor or nighttime performance isn't the best. Anyways, yeah, this is me flying Salmon Creek in Bodega, California. Really, really fun. Came in close to myself. Or is this when I landed it? Yeah, that was my landing. But yeah, that was fun. I didn't crash my drone then. I had I had the Insta360. This I feel like would be a really cool shot. But yeah, with my goggles charged, I can clearly see that the transmission is better. And this is one of the stock, is it called dipole? One of these antennas. So, whatever that lollipop thing on my, let me bring it. Well, it's just a skeleton right now. I took it off the frame. It's not going to look like anything. Yeah, that was cool flying next to the birds. I was scared one of them was going to clip my drone though, so I flew away. Yeah, that's about it. Short log. Just wanted to post something, keep it up, because I've been being lazy now that I'm back home and I'm done with school for a bit. But yeah, I'm gonna work on my drone tonight. Gonna try solder that ELRS. Is it ELRS? I don't know what it is, but let me bring it. Okay. All right. So this is it torn apart. This is the motor. It somehow cut one motor. Not the two that they were all soldered in. Or did it burn out? I wonder. No, I think I cut it. No, I did cut it. But yeah, only cut one. And let me find the pin that it broke. So this 3, how it makes a little like chevron. I'm not gonna look it up what it's called, but like the little triangle that it makes right above my fingernail. That was once one of these pins that you connect stuff into. That you connect this to. And it somehow tore off. Somehow just got yanked off. And the receiver anyway is so ghetto. I'll bring that too. It's so ghetto. I tore it apart. And yeah, I'm not gonna find it there. It's somewhere. I gotta organize that stuff. Yeah, that's gotta get fixed tonight. Solder, it's gonna be a little micro soldering, which I don't enjoy, because I think my soldering iron is old and decrepit, and doesn't want to heat up like fine tip irons. Maybe I'm just not tinning it right. Maybe I'm better with the big soldering iron. That's it for the log. That's it for now. I got a lot of footage to get through. I ran out of my Mac, and I got a terabyte of storage. That Insta360 really eats up storage. This thing, but it gets great drone shots. I'll give it that. And it's pop it out. Oh no, I shouldn't do that because I'm plugged in. That would have been a bad idea to take it out of the case. But yeah, I don't know if anyone could learn anything from this. Take away a lesson. Listen, heed the warnings. Don't spin up your motors when you got props attached, especially when it's not even fixed to the thing. So all of them can just start flying around and wreaking havoc. And those things will cut. They don't have those, I don't know, torque is the right word. They will cut. Yeah. Oh no, that's my VTX antenna. Like an idiot. I get excited and I show it. But here's the heat shrink that I put on because this would keep coming off. Now the only problem is it was weird when I was testing it in my room and I pushed on the wires, the display would go away and that would really scare me Camera, VTX. Well, I do need the OSD actually. Never mind. I was thinking of VTX can go away, but I need my camera wires. If I don't have my VTX wires, I'm not seeing anything. Yeah, probably gonna go solder. Oh, I gotta cook dinner. I'll do it today. Hold me to that. See y'all. Bye bye.